What if I told you the two biggest health rules about eggs are completely wrong? First, that eggs will clog your arteries and give you high cholesterol, and second, that egg white is the healthiest part. For 50 years, we have been told to fear the yolk, but the truth is, the yolk is where the real power is, and by throwing it away, you're throwing away the very nutrients you need to protect your heart, your brain, and even lose weight. I'm going to show you the new science on why eating whole eggs every day might be the single best thing you can do for your health. So why is this yolk so powerful? It's not just protein, it's multivitamin. First, it's loaded with choline. Think of choline as essential food for your brain. It helps build neurotransmitters for memory and mood. It also helps prevent fat from building up in your liver. Second, that deep orange color that comes from two antioxidants, lutein and zeaxanthin. This literally travel to your eyes to act as an internal sunglasses, protecting you from the blue light damage from your phone and computer. But here is the most important part, the old script miss. We are told to take calcium for our bones, but where does that calcium go? If you are not careful, it ends up in your arteries and joints. The egg yolk contains the perfect synergy to solve this. Vitamin D3 and vitamin K2. Vitamin D3 helps you absorb the calcium, but vitamin K2 acts like a traffic cop. It directs your calcium out of your bloodstream and arteries and puts it where it belongs, into your bones and teeth. So, far from clogging your arteries, the nutrients in the yolk are actually helping to keep them clear. Now, here is the secret that will blow your mind, especially if you are trying to lose weight. Eggs are the ultimate satiety food. Why? Eating whole eggs for breakfast triggers the release of satiety hormones like GLP-1. This is the exact same hormone that new popular weight loss injection target. It slows down digestion and tells your brain you are full and satisfied for hours. This crushes sugar cravings and makes you naturally eat less throughout the day. This is also why just eating eggs white is a huge mistake. You are removing the fat and nutrients that actually turn off your hunger signals. But which eggs you buy matter. Caged eggs are from sick, stressed chickens. Their yolks are pale and nutritionally weak. Cage-free just means they are in crowded barn. The gold standard is pastured raised. These chickens live outside eating bugs and grass just like they are supposed to. So this deep orange yolk, that's your proof. It's packed with up to 6 times more vitamin D and twice the omega-3s as a caged egg. This is the egg you want. So the takeaway is simple. Stop fearing the egg. Stop throwing away the yolk. Eating 2 or 3 whole pasture-raised eggs a day isn't just safe, it's one of the most powerful things you can do for your brain, your eyes, and your heart. Now, I want to hear from you. How many eggs do you eat a day? And did this video change your mind about them? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.